Manage your local iDrive BMR devices from anywhere without the need of being on the same network as the devices. Sign in to iDrive.com using your iDrive BMR credentials. Navigate to the BMR Devices tab and click Connect against the iDrive BMR device you wish to remotely manage. Access to the web interface of the device is established via the browser. Connect to the device interface with the password and manage backups of your computers, VMs, and network shares. Track your backup status on the Logs page. Navigate to the Restore page to view or create restore paths on the local network. You can also remotely monitor your device health from the Device Information section of the dashboard page.